I suggest some interview questions for you. 1. What are the spying modes in BluePrism? Basically, 4 types HTML mode, 2. Win32 mode, 3. Accessibility mode, 4. Region mode 2. Can you use mixture of them? Yes, we can use mixture of them depending upon their applications in an element. 3. Q3. What is a delivery roadmap and what are the 7 templates used for it? The Blue Prism framework is a combination of the technical infrastructure, including security and governance, and the operating model, including process management, delivery management, and operational support. The delivery documentation utilizes 7 Blue Prism templates. These are not mandatory across all process implementations. They illustrate the various content and detail required at each phase of delivery. Documents are as follows: initial process analysis, IPA, process definition. Document, PDD, functional requirement questionnaire, FRQ, solution design document. SDD, operational impact document, OID, process design instruction, PDI, object design instruction. ODI, Q4. What is accessibility mode and how do you switch between them? It is a spying mode like Win32 in HTML. It is an interface originally created for screen reading and speaking applications. To assist Windows application users with disabilities, for changing to accessibility, simply press the Alt key until Spy Tool turns blue. Q5. Why table contents are not read properly even after using getTable, and what are the solutions for it? It could be that the values held within the HTML code are not stored directly in table tags, because more HTML code is being held within the table cell. For example, in LT, TD and GT, in LT, div and GT, data in LT, div and GT, in LT, TD and GT. If getTable doesn't work, you could try reading the HTML code of the table and use string manipulation to extract the values. Another way is to use counters for each row and column of the table and read each cell individually. Q6. How would you handle pop-up windows? Create a separate business object to interface with a pop-up window. Q7. Parent URL option in Application Modeler should be checked or unchecked, and why? The parent URL of an element may not be consistent. It is usually helpful to untick the match column for the parent URL attribute of the speed element in Application Modeler. If checked, errors may get generated while using element once parent URL of the element has changed. Q8. What are the run modes? Specify foreground, background, in exclusive. Q9. Why is the stop? A decision is necessary while working with work queues. The stop decision evaluates session variables after each work queue item has been worked. The controller can now easily alter the running of a process session from within control room. Q10. What are session variables? Session variables are exposed outside the diagram, and as the name suggests, are applicable to sessions, i.e. running processes.